Hi everyone, what's up? I am Kate here and welcome back to our channel. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete a Facebook page. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have proper internet connection and you have a Facebook app installed on your device. After that, head towards Facebook app on your device and make sure that you're logged into your Facebook account. Now, to delete a Facebook page, we have to switch your account to your page that you wanna delete. For that, at the top right corner of your screen, you will see three-line icon. Tap on there, and at the top of your screen as your profile you will see a down arrow, so tap on that icon. Now here you will be able to switch your profile to your page. Tap on your page. Once you're switched to your page, now if you want to delete this page right here, again at the top right corner of your screen you will see your page icon with three line. Again tap on there, and again tap on gear icon at the top right corner. Once you're loaded to this interface, at the top of the screen you will see a box that says search settings. So simply you have to type delete on that setting, search for that. Here an option will pop up that says delete tutorial here page and information, so simply tap on there. After that you will be directed to this page that says deactivate page and delete page, so tap on delete page. Now again tap on continue, so you can provide your region, and again tap on continue. You will see multiple options that says save post in your archive or download your information, so just simply again tap on continue. Enter your admin password, that is your account password, and then again tap on continue. Now again you have to confirm before deletion, so you will get a confirmation. Again tap on continue. Again you will see this page that says the following page will be deleted and you will be switched to your account. So what it basically says is that within 30 days again you can reactivate this page, so simply tap on delete page and your page will get deleted. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon. And thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.